You're watching how to add music to Facebook profile. First, ensure you are using the Facebook mobile app on your Android or iPhone, as the music feature is primarily available on mobile. Open the Facebook app and navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture or name. On your profile, look for the Add Story section or the Music option. Sometimes it appears as a button labeled Music on your profile intro section. Tap on Music or the option to add music. This will open Facebook's music library, powered by licensing deals with services. You can browse popular songs, search for a specific track, or browse by mood or genre. Once you find the song you want, tap on it. You will then be able to preview a clip of the song. You can select a specific segment of the song, usually up to 30 seconds, to feature on your profile by dragging a selector along the track's timeline. After choosing your clip, you can add optional text or stickers. Tap Next or Share to Profile. The song will now appear on your profile, often in a dedicated music section or as a post on your timeline. Friends visiting your profile can see and play the song clip. To remove it later, go to your profile, find the music post or section, tap the three dots, and select Delete or Remove from Profile. This feature is for personal expression and does not create a permanent music player. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.